Hi everyone. I just wanted to say thank you for tuning into the video. This game was a lot of fun. Don't let my monotone voice distract you or try to take away from that. I had a blast. It's just a fun little game. Basically, your objective is to hit buttons. That's it. You hit buttons, and I hope you guys have as much fun watching it as I had playing it. But yes, hope you enjoy the video. So, welcome to a game called Just Hit the Button. Now, this is a game. You have one goal, and that is hit the buttons that pop up on the screen. And as you do, either more buttons appear, or obstacles will pop up in your way. See, if I touch the red, oh, it resets. And as it goes on, it gets progressively more difficult. Oh, that's weird. That's funky. Okay, this one has some latency to it. Is it like a Pong? Okay, it's kind of similar to a Pong situation. Not really. I thought it was gonna be, but it's not. No. Oh. Okay. Oh. We're good. Okay, I just gotta go up over here. Where's my cursor? There I am. Okay. And the goal is just to press each of the buttons as quickly as possible. Okay. There we go. Got it. In succession, and what the? Oh, I see. Oop. Blinking. Oop. This way. Oh, shoot. I gotta restart. Okay, hold on. That way. That way. This way. Oh, shoot. Okay, wait. I'm not bad. I promise. I can press the button. It's simple. It gives you a little timer to see how fast you're able to do it as well. What the? Gotcha. Oh, what the heck? Oh, no. I gotta... Okay, come here. There we go. Oh, man. Ugh. It's kind of reminds me of, like, the world's hardest game type scenario, where it gives you different challenges. Or not the world's hardest game. What? How do I... Oh, wait, I gotta press... Oh, I gotta right click to get it up. Oh, man, that's tough. Okay. What? Okay, I think that one's my cursor. Maybe. That one. Gosh, it's so hard not to lose. You gotta remember which one's your actual cursor when you get something like that. Oh, I'm timed. I do it? Okay, I did it. Shoot. Oh, it ups your DPI. Oh man, it upped my DPI. Okay. I got it. Nice and easy. I gotta look around. B, C. Imagine it's gonna be in this corner. No? Where? C, D. There you are. What? Oh, that sucks. Okay. Okay. Oh man, this is awful. There we go. Okay, A. Yes. C. No way. What? Press that. There we go. Nice and easy. It's hot and cold. It's hot and cold. I'm this way. This way. There we go. Oh, I like that one. I like the hot cold one. It inverted my mouse. Okay, down this way. Okay, this is awful. Oh, inverted mouse control is weird. Okay, I'm that one. I think. Keep an eye on your mouse. Yeah, keep an eye on your mouse. Oops. What the heck? Is this one just a normal obstacle course? Because if so, I got this one. Yeah, that was just a normal one. Okay, that was a breath of fresh air. That was a little break. Where's my cursor? Oh, as it gets closer to the button, it fades away. There we go. Oh, no, you gotta figure it. Okay. Nope. It starts bobbing up and down on its own. Ah. Okay, it gotta be quick about it. I think I got this. Yes! No way! What? Ugh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Up and down, up and down. Ooh. Down. Down. Okay, I got it. Jeez. These are... What the heck? Okay. No. No, as it goes, it gets more and more blurry. Ooh, I just almost ran right into the wall there, I feel like. What the heck? What was that? There's another one of these click ones? No way. Oh, it's a gravity one. Like, if I press it, it swaps my gravity up and now down. And now down. Come on. Click on that C. Okay. Up, up. Click. There we go. Nice and easy. Oh, what the heck? Okay. I think. So down, up. How am I supposed to do this one? Okay, so down moves them away. Up moves them close. Okay. I gotta get over somehow. If I just keep scrolling down. Okay, oh, what the heck? How am I supposed to do this? How is this supposed to be done? I don't understand. Okay, hold on. If I do this way. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm getting there. Alright, better. Now what? Okay, now I gotta get between this. Okay. Very carefully. No way I have to do another one. Okay, good. There's no way. Oh, I can just do this and color her up. Color. D. There you are. Okay. No, you have to remember. Okay. Okay, hold on. If I do... It was you to you to you to you. Okay. There we go. Okay. And you. You to you. There we go. Okay. You go this. No, wait. Wait a minute. You go to you. You go this way. Now you go this way. Now you go this way. And I go that way. And then that way. And you are here. There we go. Okay. That one's easy one. Press A, B, C, D, A. Okay. Does it just get smaller as I click? Oh. Well, that was it, I guess. Fun little 10-minute game, you know? That was really fun. That was pretty fun. My time was 10 minutes, 2 seconds, or at 10 minutes, 2 seconds, 7 milliseconds. That's not bad. That's not bad for, me playing this. I wonder if I could do it faster. But maybe hold on. Let me try a little, see what I can do a little bit faster here. Maybe there's like a unique speed running like community for just press the button. You know what I mean? Maybe that's something that exists. Let's see what I got. Oh, okay. Now what? Okay, A. Okay, I just gotta slowly hit the B. A. B. I could have gotten there before the thing. I could have gotten there before the thing too. There we are. You bastard. C. Where's D? D. There you go. Boom. 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 Look at that. Look at my speed. Oh, shoot. Right. This is the clicky one. There we go. Nice and easy. Click. Click, click. Click. I lost where my cursor was. Which one's my cursor? There it was. I found it. Okay. Bam. There we go. We're making good. Oh, shoot. Okay. Making good time. Forgot this one's high DPI, but I get used to it. It's fine. There we go. What's this one again? Light. If I remember correctly, they were in each corner. C and then D was right here. Boom. Okay. No way. Okay. All right. I'm trying to follow where my cursor would be on my eyes. Got him. Easy. Oh, A's in the corner here. Search. There's, oh my gosh. There you are. Okay, that's up more. C. Okay, up more. This way. This way. There we go. Bam. Where's my cursor? Oh, it's inverted. So it's you to you. That was close. Oh, well, it didn't matter. Okay. This way. This way. Okay. That way. This way, and bam. I'm trying to speedrun this game to the best of my ability. We'll find out. There we go. This one's a nice little breath of fresh air. You get a breather here. No way, I failed that. That was an easy one. Okay, hold on. I got this. See if I make better time. Now that I know semi what I'm doing. Where's my cursor? Here it is, here it is, here it is, here it is. There we are. Come on. Where is it? Where's my cursor? Here it is. Okay, okay. Here and straight. Clicked. Okay. Here. Straight down. Clicked. Bam. I think that's the best way to do that one. Is that... shoot. That was that. Boom. And this one was the more... Oh, shoot. Okay. This one was the more you click them, the more blurry the screen gets, which isn't actually as difficult as it... I say as I mess it up. It's not that hard. I just gotta, like, take my time and not hit the edges. There we go. Okay. Whoop. Oh. Whoop. Okay. There's that one, and I hit that. There we go. Up. 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 Oops. I messed it up. Okay. And you hit him with the down. Boom. Hit him with the up again. Oh my gosh, I'm moving my mouse too quick on that. Boom. Boom. Got it. Boom. Hit it. Bam. Just like that. Easy peasy. Shoot. Alright, if I remember this one at all, it was like... I can go... Okay, going this way brings it down. Okay, and then I gotta go this way. Nice and easy. Bam. That one was a little funky, but we'll see. This one is kind of just a search and find, right? Is it different this time around than it was last time? I think it was different this time around. There we go. All right, I remember that one turned everything invisible. That was it for it. Where's my cursor? Here it is. B. C. D. There we are. I'm doing pretty good on this one. Okay. This way. This way. This way. This. No. No. Stop going up. This way. This way. This way. Oh man, my mouse pad is not big enough for this. And then you spam hit. And I am crazy good at this game. The end. Okay. I think I will call this. That is much better than my previous time. I'm not too worried about, you know, keeping going on it and trying to do better and better. But I am content with the time that I got. If there's more, I'm sure there's a lot more games like this out there that I can try. And I will try to find ones like it, because this was a lot of fun. This was a blast. It kind of reminds me of the Impossible Game type style thing, but it's still unique. This also reminds me of what's that? The Game or something like that, whatever it was called. It's just a blast. I'm glad I got the chance to play it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Hi, it's me again. I'm here to do the mandatory YouTube thing. Like, subscribe, that sort of thing. It would really help get me off the ground. I appreciate it. Thank you.